All right, so in the last video we looked at tooltips. Now we're going to look at popovers, which are actually very similar. They work very similar. So this is going to be pretty easy. I already have the buttons styled here, and you can see that pretty much this looks the same as the tooltips page did. So we're going to go to 5_5 popovers and go down to where it says start here. And for this first button here, we're going to add, let's see, we'll go after the class, and we're going to add data-toggle and set that to popover. Okay, and then we're also going to add data placement. Okay, so this attribute is also used for popovers in addition to tooltips, and we're going to say top. And then instead of saying title here, we're going to say data-content. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'll say lorem 10 tab. Actually, I can't do it here, can I? I can't do it in quotes. So I'll say lorem 10 tab. And I'm just going to grab this and put it in those quotes because I want it to be a little longer than just, you know, hello. All right, so that'll be our first popover. Now I'll copy all of this and let's paste it here. And then we're just going to change the placement to, let's see, let's put this one on the right. And let's go right here. And put this one on the bottom, and then we'll go here and we'll put this one on the left. All right, so if I save this, whoops, what happened here? I got rid of the text. Toggle popover. Okay. Now, if I go and I hover or click or whatever, it doesn't do anything because, again, we have to initialize it just like with the tooltips. So we're going to go down here. Let's say init popovers. So same thing, we're going to use jQuery here. And we're going to pass in a set of brackets and then say data-toggle equals popover. And then we just want to initialize it with dot popover. Okay, so we'll save. Let's go over. Now, if I hover, it doesn't do anything. You actually have to click for a popover. Okay, so I'll click here, and then you click for it to go away as well. All right, this one here, I want to show you that we can also do a dismissible popover. So for that, we'll grab, let's see, we're going to grab everything that we did here. So all these attributes, paste that in, except we also want, let's see, we'll go right here. We also want to add to this data-trigger and set that to focus. So I'll save that, and then if I click it and then click anywhere else, it goes away. So that's a dismissible popover. If I do that here, if I click it, click somewhere else, it just stays. So if you want it to be dismissible like that, then you want to put in focus here for a data trigger. All right, so let's do the same thing we did with the tooltips. We'll control it with JavaScript. So we'll add an onClick to these, and we'll say show popover. It's going to run that function when it's clicked. We'll paste this in, and then this one will be hide. And then this one will be toggle. All right, so we'll go down here, and let's create these functions. So I'm going to go function show popover. And all I'm going to do here is, actually we need to give the one we want to use an ID. So let's use the dismissible one. We'll give it an ID of hello. And we're just going to add down here in our function. We'll use jQuery to grab the ID of hello. And we're just going to call dot popover. And we're going to pass in show. Oops. Okay, and then what I'll do is copy this. And we'll do the hide. So we just want to pass in hide here. And then we'll do the toggle. So toggle and save. And now if I click this, you'll see that it's actually going to show it. If I click that, it'll hide it. If I click this, it will toggle it. All right, and then we also have some events as well that we can use. So popover event. So it's almost identical to the tooltips. So for the events, let's grab the hello ID, and we're going to say .on, which takes in an event. So we'll say show.bs.popover, and then add in our function. Okay, so this will run as soon as it's clicked, and then we'll console.log, and all we're going to do is just say popover show. And then I'll just grab this, and let's do 4 more. So this one here, so we have show, we also have shown. So we'll say shown. Then we have hide. Okay, same events as the tooltip. And then hidden. So hidden, popover hidden, and save. And let's open up our console. And now if I hover over it, or I'm sorry, if I click it, not hover over it, we get show and shown. And then if I click outside of it, we get hide and hidden. All right, so you can add these events and you can do stuff inside your JavaScript. Okay, so that's going to be it for Popover, guys. Pretty easy. In the next video, we're going to take a look at modals.